Right now, the skeleton inside your body is not the one you were born with. Not even close. Every single bone you have, every last one, has been silently replaced, rebuilt, and rewritten while you slept, while you ate, while you were watching videos exactly like this one. And the craziest part, you had absolutely no idea it was happening. But here's the question that should make your brain short-circuit. If your bones have been completely replaced, are you even the same person you were 10 years ago? Let that sink in for a second. When you were born, your skeleton was barely a skeleton at all. You had around 270 bones, soft, flexible, almost rubbery, made mostly of cartilage. A baby's body is so pliable, it can fold into positions that would destroy an adult. But over the first few years of your life, those soft structures begin to harden. Calcium floods in, bones fuse together. By the time you're an adult, you're down to just 206 bones. You lost 64 bones. Except you didn't lose them. They merged. They became each other. And that process, that slow, silent transformation, never actually stops. Here's where it gets wild. Deep inside every bone in your body right now, there's a microscopic war happening. On one side, cells called osteoclasts. These are the destroyers. They dissolve old bone tissue, eating it from the inside out, leaving tiny tunnels and cavities behind. On the other side, osteoblasts, the builders. They rush in and fill those cavities with brand new bone material, laying it down layer by layer like a microscopic construction crew working the night shift. And they never stop, not for a single day of your life. This process has a name, bone remodeling, and it means that your skeleton is not a static structure. It is a living, breathing, constantly changing organ. Here's the number that breaks people's brains. Your body replaces about 10% of your entire skeleton every single year. Do the math. In 10 years, every bone you have completely replaced. The femur in your leg, the tiny stirrup bone in your ear, all of it, systematically demolished and rebuilt while you go about your day completely unaware. But wait, if that's true, then why do broken bones take so long to heal? You'd think with all that remodeling going on, a fracture would fix itself in days. Here's the brutal answer. A break overwhelms the system. Your body floods the site with emergency repair crews, but remodeling is precision work, not emergency work. It's the difference between a city's road maintenance crew and disaster relief. One runs quietly in the background forever. The other scrambles when everything falls apart. And this is where it gets deeply personal. Because bone remodeling isn't just about replacement, it's about response. Your bones literally reshape themselves based on what you do. Press on a bone repeatedly, like a runner pounding pavement, called and osteoblasts rush to that exact spot and make it denser, stronger, more resistant. Your skeleton is listening to your life and rewriting itself accordingly. Astronauts in space lose up to 1% of their bone density per month. Because without gravity, the bones get no signal, no pressure, no demand, and the destroyers outpace the builders. 1 month in space undoes a year of healthy bone building on Earth. And here is the part that nobody tells you. The part that changes how you see your own body forever. After your 30s, the balance shifts. Osteoclasts start winning. Your body breaks down bone faster than it builds it, silently, invisibly. Year by year, the skeleton you worked your whole life to build begins to thin. But here's the twist. And this is the part that'll stay with you. Exercise, specifically the kind that loads your bones with weight and impact. It can rewrite that equation. You have more control over your skeleton than you ever imagined. And that raises a question so strange it kept scientists up at night. If your bones are constantly being replaced, what holds your memories? What makes you, you? The answer lives somewhere between your neurons and your atoms. And that is a story for next time.